Colchester Machine Tool Solutions, they supply the range of Harrison lathes. If you make parts, components similar to what you see here on this machine, then you can come here to see this machine in action, or in fact, if you're really interested, you can buy it because it's available here from stock. You've got 2 meters between centers on this machine, you've got a 550mm swing, and you've got this 8-station turret here which has 4 driven tools on it. Now this motor on the top here is actually where the driven tools are driven from. 3.7 kilowatts of power, but there is a high power option as well, so they can become not just capable turning machines but capable milling machines as well. Now how about this FANUC control? This is the FANUC series OITF Plus. This is a new control which, working with FANUC, Colchester Machine Tools have fitted to this machine. It's got the IHMI interface. It's great for user experience. It's got a much faster processing time. They've got surface finish technology within this control as well. It really is offering their customers the latest in control technology. Now this particular machine, there's various changes to the Alpha machines, and in fact I spoke with Paul Rushworth earlier. There's an interview coming to our channel where he talks about some of the new models up to 6-meter bed lengths that are now available. If this is the type of application you're looking to machine, if this is the size of machine and size of parts that you need to make, then contact the guys here. Come and have a look at this at their headquarters in Elland. The machine is available currently from stock.